Ahrefs is probably best known as a professional SEO platform, and its paid program are built for people who regularly work with keywords, backlinks, a competitor's content, and search performance. But what if you're a small business owner or creator or someone with a relatively new website and you're not ready to pay yet another monthly subscription? Well, Ahrefs now has something called Ahrefs Free, which gives you access to 6 tools without a credit card, a trial deadline, or hidden charges. This video is sponsored by Ahrefs, but I also want to approach it from the perspectives of someone who has managed a content website for many years. I'm going to show you what is included, which feature I think are the most useful, and where you will eventually run into limitations. Ahrefs Free currently includes Site Explorer, Site Audit, Web Analytics, Social Media Manager, AI Content Helper, and the Ahrefs SEO Toolbar. Some of these tools require you to verify that you own the website. Others can be used without connecting a website. So let's look at the most useful starting point. Part 1. Verify your website. To use Site Explorer, Site Audit, and Web Analytics for your own website, you first need to verify ownership. That distinction is important. The free account is mainly designed to help you understand and improve websites you actually own. It isn't a free replacement for all the competitive research features inside a paid Ahrefs subscription. You can verify a website through methods such as Google Search Console or another supported ownership verification option. Once your website is verified, Ahrefs can begin showing you information that is much more actionable than simply looking at your homepage or guessing what needs improvement. And here's part 2, Site Explorer. Site Explorer helps you understand how your website is performing in organic search. For a verified website, the free account can show up to 1,000 backlinks and 1,000 keywords at one time. So for beginners, I would focus on these 3 questions. 1. Which pages receive the most organic traffic? 2. Which search terms attract people to your website? And 3. Which websites are linked to you? This is useful because SEO isn't always about inventing something completely new. Sometimes you already have an article that ranks on page 2 of Google, and sometimes an older post is attracting traffic for a keyword you weren't intentionally targeting. Sometimes another website has linked to a resource that you have created. Those signals can tell you where to spend your time next. So, for example, instead of randomly publishing 5 new blog posts, I might discover that one existing article is ranking around positions 10 through 15. That article may invite an opportunity for an update. At Feisworld, we use Ahrefs to identify content opportunities, declines, backlinks, and search visibility. The free version will not give you every report or every competitor feature, but it can still help you understand what is happening on your own website. And here's part 3, which is all about Site Audit. This is a tool I would recommend to website owners who know something is wrong but don't know what to look for. Ahrefs can crawl your website and check for more than 170 technical and on-page SEO issues. The free plan currently includes 5,000 crawl credit per verified project each month. So for a small website, that can be enough to uncover a meaningful list of problems. You may see issues involving broken links, missing or duplicate title tags, redirects, pages that search engines cannot index, slow or unusual large pages, or internal links that lead somewhere that they shouldn't. The report separates findings into errors, warnings, and notices. My advice is not to panic when you see a large number. SEO tools are very good at finding things. That doesn't mean that every warning deserves the same amount of attention. So start with errors that affect important pages, and then you can look at the patterns. If the same problem appears on 200 pages, it might come from one website template or publishing setting. Fixing the underlying cause could resolve many individual warnings all at once. Ahrefs Free also includes web analytics for up to 1 million events per project each month. This gives you a simpler way to monitor website activity, including visits, pages, traffic sources, locations, and other performance information. I don't think every business needs 5 analytics platforms open all at the same time, but I do like having analytics close to SEO data. You can see that a page receives visitors and then move into SEO tools to investigate how people are discovering it. For a small website or a creator who finds Google Analytics overwhelming, the simpler presentation may also be appealing. So here are the 3 additional free tools. Social Media Manager allows unlimited posts and channels. You can use it to organize and publish social content all from one place. AI Content Helper includes 1 document per month on the free account. It can help you examine whether your content covers the important topics associated with a search query. And the free SEO Toolbar works inside your browser. The toolbar can show domain rating, the URL rating metrics, along with useful on-page information such as titles, meta descriptions, headings, links, indexability, and redirects. I personally especially like the browser tools for quick checks without having to interrupt your workflow and open another dashboard for every question. So, can Ahrefs Free replace a complete paid Ahrefs subscription? No, I don't think that is the right expectation. The free account is strongest when you want to analyze your own verified websites. You won't get the same in-depth competitors research, keyword discovery, rank tracking, historical data, and expanded limit. But this is not a 7-day trial designed to disappear just as you understand it. There is no credit card requirement or a trial period, and the 6 included tools can remain useful as your website grows. I think Ahrefs Free makes the most sense for people such as creators with a blog or portfolio, small businesses managing their own website, or freelancers who want to understand basic SEOs, and website owners trying to diagnose problems without hiring someone else. The biggest benefit of an SEO tool isn't that it gives you more data, it's that it helps you make a better next decision. Which article should you update? Which technical issue should you fix? Where is your traffic coming from? And is Google able to understand and crawl the website you work so hard to build? Ahrefs Free gives website owners a legitimate starting point for answering those critical questions without immediately committing to another subscription. So we have been Ahrefs first free, but then paid users for many, many years, including our website, Feisworld, but also my mom's art collaboration called Xiang Li Art. My producer, Germán, uses Ahrefs for all his web projects. We welcome your questions and be able to learn from you. I cannot wait to see you in the next video.